Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. It has been used for centuries as a home remedy for various ailments and as a food preservative, flavoring agent, and ingredient in many recipes. The fermentation process involves two steps. First, apples are crushed and mixed with yeast to convert the sugars into alcohol, and then bacteria are added to further ferment the alcohol into acetic acid. Apple cider vinegar is mildly acidic, with a typical pH value ranging from 2.5 to 3.0. The invention of apple cider vinegar is thought to have occurred around 2500 BC, coinciding with the development of early agricultural practices and the domestication of apples. It is believed that the ancient Sumerians, Babylonians, and Egyptians used vinegar made from various fruits, including apples, for cooking, preserving food, and as a cleaning agent. They discovered that when fruit juice was left exposed to the air, it would naturally ferment into alcohol and then into vinegar due to the presence of acetic acid-producing bacteria. Over time, the use of apple cider vinegar spread to other regions, including China, Europe, and the Americas. It's important to consider the following criteria to buy high-quality apple cider vinegar: raw and unfiltered, organic, no added preservatives, glass packaging, reputable brand.
Hi, I am Rob from Explaining Health. Every week I want to share my medical knowledge. Now pay attention to 7 healthy benefits of apple cider vinegar.
1. Nutrient absorption. ACV may help enhance nutrient absorption by promoting a healthy digestive environment and stimulating the production of stomach acid and digestive enzymes. A well-functioning digestive system is crucial for breaking down food efficiently and absorbing essential nutrients. The acetic acid in ACV may aid in the absorption of minerals, such as calcium and magnesium, which are vital for bone health and various bodily functions. ACV's potential to enhance nutrient absorption may also address the issue of vitamin deficiencies that can arise not only from a lack of these nutrients in the diet, but also from an alkaline stomach environment that hinders proper absorption. A well-balanced stomach pH is essential for the efficient breakdown and absorption of vitamins and minerals from food and supplements. An overly alkaline stomach may result in decreased absorption of essential nutrients, leading to deficiencies despite adequate intake through diet or supplements. By consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV diluted in a glass of water 15 to 20 minutes before meals, you may help create a more acidic stomach environment, which can be beneficial for the absorption of certain nutrients, particularly minerals and B vitamins. This can potentially address vitamin deficiencies resulting from poor absorption rather than dietary inadequacies. 2. Digestive aid. ACV may help improve digestion by promoting a healthy gut environment and supporting the breakdown of food. The acetic acid in ACV may stimulate the production of stomach acid and digestive enzymes, which can help break down food more efficiently. Additionally, ACV contains small amounts of probiotics, which can contribute to a balanced gut microbiome. Improved digestion can lead to reduced flatulence, as less undigested food reaches the large intestine where gas-producing bacteria reside. Reduced flatulence is not only beneficial from a physical standpoint, but it can also have significant social implications. Excessive flatulence can cause embarrassment, social anxiety, and discomfort in various social settings, such as work, school, or public gatherings. By addressing digestive issues and reducing flatulence, individuals may feel more at ease and confident in social situations, improving their overall quality of life. To support digestion, prepare an ACV tonic by combining 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with 8 ounces of water, a teaspoon of raw honey, and a few slices of fresh ginger. Drink this mixture 15 to 20 minutes before meals or sip it throughout the day.
If this content is useful for you, give me the honor to have you as a subscriber.
3. Weight loss support. ACV has been associated with increased satiety, reduced cravings, and a slight boost in metabolism, which can help support weight loss efforts. Acetic acid in ACV may contribute to these effects by promoting fat oxidation and reducing fat storage in the body. Increased satiety ACV may increase feelings of fullness or satiety, which can help reduce overall calorie consumption. The acetic acid in ACV has been suggested to slow down the rate at which food leaves the stomach, prolonging the feeling of fullness and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, ACV may slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels and promoting satiety. Enhanced fat oxidation ACV has been associated with increased fat oxidation, which is the process of breaking down fat molecules into energy. Acetic acid, the main active component in ACV, has been shown to increase the expression of genes related to fat oxidation, which may contribute to a higher rate of fat burning and weight loss. Decreased fat storage. Some studies have suggested that ACV may help reduce body fat storage by interfering with the enzymes responsible for the synthesis of fatty acids. By inhibiting these enzymes, ACV may help decrease the amount of fat stored in the body, promoting weight loss. To use ACV for weight loss, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with 8 ounces of water and drink it before meals. For a more flavorful option, create an Active-infused salad dressing by combining it with olive oil, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Use the dressing on salads or as a marinade for lean proteins to add flavor and potential weight loss benefits. 4. Heart health ACV may help support heart health by reducing blood pressure, lowering cholesterol levels, and decreasing triglyceride levels. Acetic acid in ACV has been shown to reduce the activity of an enzyme called renin, which may help lower blood pressure. Additionally, ACV may help increase the production of bile, which can aid in the breakdown of dietary fats and cholesterol. A study from 2014 explored the effects of acetic acid, the main active component in ACT, on blood pressure in mice. The findings suggested that acetic acid could help reduce blood pressure by down-regulating the expression of the renin-angiotensin system, which is involved in blood pressure regulation. To incorporate ACV into your diet for heart health, use it as a base for marinades, sauces, or salad dressings. You can also try drinking a daily tonic of 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV mixed with 8 ounces of water and a splash of pomegranate juice, which contains heart-healthy antioxidants.
Are you enjoying? Leave a thumbs up.
5. Apple cider vinegar act can potentially help control blood sugar levels through a few key mechanisms. Improved insulin sensitivity. ACV may enhance the body's responsiveness to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. This means that the body needs less insulin to effectively reduce blood sugar levels. Delayed gastric emptying. ACV can slow down the rate at which food leaves the stomach. This results in a more gradual release and absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. Inhibiting enzymes. ACV may inhibit enzymes that digest complex carbohydrates, reducing the amount of sugar entering the bloodstream. Several studies have investigated the effects of ACV on blood sugar control. To consume ACV for blood sugar control, try incorporating ACV into a balanced smoothie or a warm drink with a teaspoon of cinnamon, which also has blood sugar regulating properties.
I am curious. Do you consume ACV? Tell me in the comments below how you have it. Do you take it before meals or in the morning? Let me know.
6. Skin health. ACV's natural acidity can help balance the skin's pH and support a healthy skin barrier, while its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties may help soothe acne-prone skin. To create a gentle ACV facial toner, mix 1 part ACV with 2 to 3 parts water and add a few drops of tea tree oil for extra acne-fighting benefits. Apply the toner using a cotton pad after cleansing and before moisturizing your skin. Be cautious with the concentration of ACV to avoid skin irritation, and always patch test before applying it to your entire face. 7. Apple cider vinegar act has antimicrobial properties, which can be attributed to its acetic acid content. The acetic acid in ACV has been shown to be effective against various bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This makes ACV a popular alternative to conventional cleaning products, particularly for individuals with allergies or sensitivities to the chemicals found in many commercial cleaners. Advantages of ACV for allergic people. Chemical-free ACV is a natural product that does not contain harsh chemicals found in many commercial cleaners, which can cause allergic reactions or irritate the skin, eyes, and respiratory system. Environmentally friendly ACV is biodegradable and non-toxic, making it a more environmentally friendly choice than many conventional cleaning products. Toxicity of cleaning products. Many conventional cleaning products contain chemicals that can be harmful to humans and the environment. These chemicals can cause skin irritation, respiratory issues, and allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. How to use ACV as a cleaner. All-purpose cleaner. Mix equal parts of ACV and water in a spray bottle. Use this solution to clean countertops, glass, mirrors, and other surfaces. Keep in mind that ACV is acidic and may not be suitable for all surfaces, such as granite, marble, or hardwood floors, as it can cause damage or discoloration. Another amazing superfood is ginger, and here you have an interesting video about it. Do not forget to subscribe. Good health.